Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mike in Ohio on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Mike got you ready to go with the unlock clarifier as well as the high cut filter switch right there on the back. It's a Shiba voltage regulator and tune-up. Let's start with RF power all the way down. Not a 25 watt slug, what are we doing? Good day. Let's take that out. We're going to put the 100 watt slug in right here. We're going to put the 250 watt slug in right here. Alright, so there it is all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 50 watts. See average power swing. So 100 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug and average. Hello, 115. Pretty much normal. Peak power, hello, 250 on the money. All right, my friend, we'll get it out to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.